In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Hitman 3 in PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Hitman 3 is also known as Hitman World of Assassination, and it is available for the PlayStation 4 alongside various different other platforms. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find the game on the PlayStation Store, how to purchase it, and play on any console according to what you have available. So you can follow along by going to the PlayStation Store directly on your PlayStation 4 or go to the website as I'm doing here by using the search icon either on the website or on your console inside of the PlayStation Store. You can look for Hitman. A lot of games are going to pop up, so you'll see Hitman 1, Hitman 2, and then Hitman World of Assassination, which is essentially Hitman 3. In here you can purchase the game. Off sale, it is going to go for $69.99. It was released in 2021, and like I said before, it is available for various different platforms, including PlayStation 4, but also PlayStation 5. So if you ever update or upgrade your console, you will be able to get it for the new gen console as well. It is easy to purchase it, so go into the PlayStation Store, look for Hitman World of Assassination developed by IO Interactive, and you can add the card to play. As you can see, it has VR support, so if you have a PlayStation VR 2, you will be able to play as well. And online play is optional. You can watch trailers and see pictures of gameplay here. And as long as you purchase the game digitally, or if you are able to find a physical copy, you can play it on your PlayStation 4. There are various different editions, so some of these will include certain campaigns, and additional locations, and unlockable agents, special packs, so just choose whichever one you prefer. They even have a free starter pack available here. As long as you purchase a version that includes the base game and the campaigns, you can play through it all. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Hitman 3 in PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.